In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Touchpad on Windows 11, updated 2026 guide. If your touchpad is a little too sensitive, or you prefer using an external mouse and want to avoid accidental taps while typing, this quick walkthrough will help you turn it off cleanly and safely. Before we start, a quick tip. If you rely on a mouse, plug in your USB mouse or make sure your Bluetooth mouse is connected first. Disabling the touchpad won't affect your keyboard, but it will stop the built-in cursor controls on your laptop. Let's begin by opening the Settings app. The fastest way is with a simple keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key and the letter I together. You'll see the Settings window open, which is your central hub for system controls in Windows 11. On the left side of the Settings window, select Accessibility. This section gathers tools that help you adjust how you interact with your device. Inside Accessibility, choose Mouse Pointer and Touch. This page groups options for pointer size, color, and touch-related controls, and it's where we'll find what we need. Now scroll down until you see Touchpad. Depending on your screen size, you might need to move a bit to get there. Once you see Touchpad, click or tap it to open the dedicated controls. You'll notice a main switch at the top of the touchpad settings area. This is the master toggle that controls whether the touchpad hardware is active. To disable the touchpad, simply toggle that switch to off. The change takes effect immediately, no restart required. From this point on, the built-in touch surface won't move the pointer or register clicks, which is great for avoiding accidental input while you work. If you're using an external mouse, it will continue to work normally. If you ever want the touchpad back, just return to the same place and flip the toggle to on. It's the exact same control, so undoing the change is fast and straightforward. A couple of quick notes to set expectations. On some laptops, especially those with specialized drivers, the touchpad option may appear slightly different, or certain controls might be managed by the manufacturer's utility. If you don't see the toggle, make sure Windows is updated and your touchpad drivers are current through your device's support page. Also, if you're on battery, disabling the touchpad can help reduce incidental activity, which may provide a tiny efficiency benefit during long typing sessions. That's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled the touchpad on Windows 11 using the built-in settings, and you can re-enable it anytime with the same toggle.